In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your GCash yearly transaction summary. First, open the GCash app on your mobile device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. The app icon is a blue square with a white GCash logo. Once you have the app open, you'll see the main dashboard with your balance displayed prominently. This is where you can access various features of GCash. Now, tap on the transactions icon. This is usually found at the bottom of your screen. By doing this, you'll be taken to a page that displays all your recent transactions. This is a convenient way to get a quick look at your financial activities. But today we're diving deeper into your yearly summary. Scroll down to find and tap on the option that says Request Transaction History. This feature is essential because it allows you to track your spending habits and manage your finances more effectively. It's like having a personal accountant at your fingertips. Next, it's important to check that your email address is correct. This step ensures that your transaction history will be sent to the right place. If it's incorrect, you'll need to update it in your account settings before proceeding. Having the correct email is crucial because that's where your detailed summary will be delivered. Once that is sorted, you'll need to select the date range for the entire year you want to review. This typically involves choosing the start and end dates of the year. Picking the right time frame is important because it allows you to capture a full financial picture for that year. Remember, it's all about gaining insights into your spending. After selecting the date range, tap Submit Request. This action sends your request to GCash for processing. You will soon receive an email with your transaction history. This step is significant because it ensures that your request is officially recorded and will be processed. Now, head over to your email inbox. Look for an email from GCash with the subject line, Your GCash Transaction History. It might take a few minutes for the email to arrive, so be patient. If you don't see it immediately, check your spam or junk folder just in case. When you find the email, open it and download the attached file. This file contains your yearly transaction summary in detail. It's typically in a format that is easy to read, like a PDF or an Excel sheet. Having this document is beneficial because it allows you to analyze your transactions offline at your convenience. And there you have it, your yearly transaction summary from GCash is now at your fingertips. This comprehensive view of your financial activities can help you make informed decisions about your spending and saving habits. Take some time to review it thoroughly, and you'll find it a valuable tool for budgeting and financial planning. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing to become more efficient with managing your finances using GCash. Until next time, happy managing.